Hello everyone, welcome to a new vlog from Malaysia in the city of Penang. Penang Island is a part of Penang City with its capital as Georgetown. We travelled from Ipoh to Butterworth, which is the closest railway station to Penang, and took a ferry to Georgetown. The ferry terminal is just beside the Butterworth railway station, and the ferries are quite frequent and run every 30 minutes. This is the queue for ferry to Georgetown. We will be going to Georgetown. We need to get the tickets. So we are waiting on the queue. You need to purchase the tickets from here. We got the tickets for 2 Malaysian ringgits per head. Thank you. It's a very convenient and time-saving ride of almost 15 minutes. There are air-conditioned cabins as well, just in case you need AC. From Terminal 1, we are taking bus to our location. We are staying at Kim House Loft, so we are... Got our tickets. কত নিয়েছে? No change available. কত দিয়েছিস? 1.4. আর তুই কত দিলি? 3 টাকা. We are at the Kampung Kolam bus stand, and from here we need to walk 200 meters. So we will be walking to our hotel now. We have come to a Chinese restaurant, and here there is no chicken item, only pork. So we have chosen a safer option, that's egg. So before we start exploring the city, we will be eating. This is the food. इतना ही amount दिया है, क्या ही बताऊँ. So our first stop for the day is at the top Penang, which is at the top of a building, and from it's kind of an observation tower or deck. Cross the road diagonally as well. See the zebra crossing? It's something new that we are coming across. This is the price. There are a lot of things, and we are taking this one. The mall is very well decorated for Christmas, and it looks so beautiful. The Christmas decorations are always so magical, isn't it? Now we are going to the top, and which is at the 68th floor. So you need to enter from here. They will scan your wristband, and then you can go from here. The top Penang is about the open-air Rainbow Sky Bridge, situated at the 68th floor, but before we got to reach there, we were taken to 65th floor for the observatory deck. Curious about what Penang looks like from above? At the highest spot in Georgetown, the Rainbow Skywalk and observatory deck gives you breathtaking, uninterrupted views of Georgetown and the surrounding area. The Rainbow Skywalk gives you an exhilarating chance to stroll 816 feet up in the air. Plus, the air-conditioned observatory deck on level 65 has a glass walkway where you can gaze down at the bustling world beneath you. You have games like this here on the deck, and then it's same like Paris. You can see only if you pay. How much do we need to pay? Oh, 1 ringgit per minute. Not needed. not have any fear of height before doing this activity, and a lot of other things like heart problems or blood pressure. Like, keep that on check. You will get everything on the form. Don't bring your bags here. You will have to buy a locker.
ये बहुत गंदा बिजनेस है यार. मतलब वी हैव ऑलरेडी पेड 75 और 78 मलेशियन रिंगिट एंड उसके बाद यहाँ पे और भी एक्स्ट्रा पे करना पड़ रहा है लॉकर के लिए जस्ट टू कीप आवर बैग.
Do not bring your bags, otherwise you will have to spend 10 Malaysian ringgit on renting a locker, which is of no use. मैं तो यही बोल रही थी कि इधर ही बैग रख देते हैं, कहीं पे इधर घूम के आ जाएंगे फिर से, बट नो, वी हैव आवर पासपोर्ट्स एंड ऑल दोस इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग्स. We are linked with each other. ये तो शादी में जैसे होता है ना कि लगा दिया वैसा. फटफट ख़त्म हो गया ये तो, मतलब ज़्यादा देर नहीं लगा, एक बस चक्कर लगाएगा. दैट्स इट. ठीक है, तो भट तो कुछ छिलो ना, बट ओके. Next we headed up to 68th floor for the sky bridge, where we found a huge restaurant, but it's not a mandate to buy something, so we directly dropped ourselves at the sky bridge. We are at the 68th floor and this is the world's first tower curved skywalk. Now we are waiting here for 5 p.m. exactly because Zumba classes are going to start. That is special because of the Christmas. Everybody is dressed up like Santa and they are going to do Zumba. So yes, that is something that we are going to see now. So wait, we'll show you once it starts. Come to a mall now, and here a sale is going on where we are getting things for t-shirt for 10 Malaysian ringgit, bags for 5 Malaysian ringgit, and more slippers, bags, etc. etc. We have taken vanilla Oreo smoothie, which is originally 8.9 Malaysian ringgit, but with tax it's 10.4 Malaysian ringgit. We forgot to mention not to give ice. Easy signals. We are at the Georgetown now, which is very famous for its street arts, and here it's absolutely crowded on places where people can click Instagrammable pictures. So it's better to come in the morning, early in the morning. It would be less crowded and you can just click as many pictures as you want. Look at this fire station. It's a real one. But people are going there and clicking photos, getting inside the truck, the bike, the cycles, and they're using it as a prop for Instagram. Actually, I don't think it's a real one. It's a museum only, I think. Because ऐसा थोड़ी ना allow करेंगे लोगों को. Georgetown serves as the capital of Penang, a state in Malaysia. It's the main city in the Georgetown conurbation, which is the second biggest metropolitan area in the country, boasting a population of 2.84 million. This city has been recognized by UNESCO since 2008 for its unique architectural and cultural townscape, a result of centuries of cultural and religious blending.
स्ट्रीट आर्ट खोजते खोजते पूरा चप्पल घिस गया। हम लोग बहुत थक गए, ऑलमोस्ट हम लोग 1.5-2 घंटे से यहाँ घूम रहे थे फोटोज लेने के लिए।
We are unable to find street art here because there are a lot of street arts here, but in the map like you won't find anything. Everything is like haphazard, so we had to search for it a lot, and now we are at a restaurant to have something, to have a lunch, you can say, in the evening. We are trying on something nasi lemak sambal shrimp and fried chicken rice. So in nasi lemak, what is there? Shrimp, in Bengali we call it shubki mach, that is also there, egg and etc. rice, and on the other one it's just fried chicken with rice, so it's a safe option. By the way, if you want to try, there are other options as well, like frogs, frog legs and different items of frogs. We are not trying it because abhi tak to utna guts nahi ho raha hai try karne ka, but kabhi try kar hi lenge.
That's a wrap for today's video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button for our channel. Catch you next Saturday. Bye bye.